Are you tired of guessing how your brand is performing online? Learn how to track your brand's sentiment and share a voice in under 3 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Semrush's AI brand narrative tracking to get a complete brand performance report. First, we'll set up your project folder. Go to Semrush Folders to organize your projects. Click on the first highlight. Click on the second highlight. Now, click on AI Brand Narrative Tracking. Click on the next highlight. Then click on Analyze to run the report. Click on View Free Example to see a sample. Click on the prompt that says, "You're viewing a sample report. Want to check your brand?" If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.